difference, I think, in filmmaking noon at ngayon, yung technology umiinog. Nagiging advanced ang technology natin. So we now come across with equipments na when I was just starting as an actor, wala pa nung ganon. And one of the technology that Paul so ingeniously thought of to use in this film was he wanted an aerial shot. A beautiful, beautiful shot. Meron siyang shot na from Telma, nagpo-pull out yung camera. Pull out ng pull out ng pull out ng pull out forever. So makikita mo si Telma, paliit ng paliit. Yung tinatakuhan yung kapaligiran, lumalaki ng lumalaki. Until later on, umiikot yung camera sa ibabaw. And it was like you see na the hot, the burol where Telma is running. Nung panahon ko, in the earlier times, wala nun. Or if you can get that, it would be a crane. And I've worked with some really ingenious cinematographers in the past na kunyari jungle scene, tracking scene, nakabitin lang talaga sila. May frame lang sila nakahoy, may tali, may mama sa ilalim, hinihila siya. O, yun na yung aming tracking shots, ganyan. But si Paul was able to tap this helicopter, a small helicopter na remote control, na may camera na nakamount doon, and yung ginamit niya, and you should see the shot na nakuha niya doon. It's just fantastic. Panoorin nyo. And the thing that I'm so thankful about this movie is working with Paul. Ang maganda kay Paul, kasi the first time I met Paul, sabi ko, ang gwapo ng director ko. You get flawless ang skin. So when we go to work in the morning, see your director, it's a beautiful morning. Diba? Kasi we're so used to rugged directors. Yung talagang rugged. You see Paul, fino, ganda-ganda, di ba? Okay. Di ba ba? Pero, when you get to work, you say, eto, bata pa to. Pero galing saan ka ng mga filmmakers at nasa showbiz. So, I'm sure alam niya yung gagawin niya. Pero, tignan natin. But you know what's the biggest surprise with Paul? Si Paul, yung discipline niya sa advertising, as an advertising director, tala niya, parang naka-storyboard sa utak niya. Wala siya tinitignan na storyboard, pero he's so precise with what he wants. He knows how to mount his camera. He knows what angle he wants. He knows what he wants to choose out of that scene. He knows what he wants from each and every one of us. Iba-iba naman kami ng character. At flawless ang aming shooting.
Yun.
Tingin mo, ulit ka pa ulit sa gandang pagpaproduce?
Kung bonggang-bongga ang Telma, bakit hindi? Pro-produce ko like story mo.
Ikaw gaganap, sure.
Si Jason.
Diba Ayan. And this movie is inspired by true stories when it's not an actual living person. Why you felt na may pa na?
Because it is inspired by true stories. I wrote this film based on true stories. That is definitely a fact. When I got to meet these athletes, these runners, they inspired me. Their stories inspired me. So I wanted to give it that label, that edge, because I want people to know that what you see in Telma are stories that actually happened. How she grew up in the beginning, that's actually kwento of one runner. How she got to join a race, that's a kwento of another runner. How she went to Manila, her love story, those are kwentos of different runners. So everything about this film is really a true story. But instead of basing it on one person, I wanted to base it on everyone's journey, a lot of people. And it's another reason to watch the film. At least you know what you see on the screen actually happened.
Well, siguro hindi naman na ita-take ng chance ng Star Cinema na i-distribute ko kung hindi siya naniniwala. Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi lang kasi pang pamilya ng pelikula, pang sports pa. Kung hindi pa ready sa tingin natin yung audience sa message film, I think this time they will. This time they will. beautiful film. So September 7, Maha Salvador, directed by Paul Serena, and of course, all of us. Thank you.
It's a wonderful story that will inspire you. Even if you're not a runner, you will be able to relate to Thelma's story because you will look at your life and just like Thelma, we all have our obstacles, we have our handicaps, but this movie tells you to recycle all that and go beyond your limitation and achieve your dream. And I think yung message lang na yun, kahit hindi ka runner, you can so relate to it. So panoorin nyo pag lumabas sa September 7. I know I have a lot of friends in Facebook, they're all waiting for Thelma to show.
Sorry po, na-late ako kasi naligaw po kami sa traffic ko.
Invite everyone.
Sana po manood kayo ng Thelma, September 7 na po show nationwide, directed by Paul Soriano, produced by Time Horizon, and distributed by Star Cinema.
Ay po, maraming salamat at sana po supportahan niyo kami sa pelikulang to. At na-excite ako para kay Maha. At naniniwala po ako na ang manunood ng Pilipino, mga Pilipino ay hindi na po ganun ka-ignorante pagdating sa pelikula. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo. Sabi nga po nila, own it. Kaya samahan niyo po ako sa pagdating ko sa aking pelikula. Tatagal ko na po itong hinihintay. At Sir Rino, Red Paul, thank you po. Dahil isa kayo sa tumupad sa mga pangarap ko. Thank you. So sana din po kayo, matutuwa po ako kung mapapanood nyo dahil isa din po kayo sa mga magiging dahilan kung bakit natupad yung pangarap ko. Thank you po. Thank you. September 7 po, Thelma. Thank you.